sleeping with him all night. With Lewis.
Dad, you missed the face masks. Giving Dad some space. He's got a hangover. I made him breakfast.
He's got a hangover, has he?
The sleepover, he must have just forgot.
I need my pee kit. Love you.
Love you too.
Oi! Whatever you've done, you've got some serious making up to do.
Cal. Callum. Just come back inside and we can talk, yeah?
So that's where you've been, is it? Out with Lewis?
Cal.
What'd you do, Ben? Go out in the town? Go back to his? Would you sleep with him, did ya?
Morning, love islanders.
Oh.
I want to see your husband. I want to teach him to hold his drink. Feeling fragile, are we, babe?
So you two were out together?
I swear, my feet are killing me. I don't think there's a bar in Soho this one didn't drag me through. I thought I was a bad influence. See you later, guys.
Cal.
I've got work. You know, when we got married, you said to me that I get you.
Cal.
And I said that when I'm with you, I don't feel lonely anymore.
Please.
But last night, laying on that bed through there, without you, I've never felt so alone in all my life. I didn't know where you were. I didn't know who you were with, what you were doing.
I was so angry.
All I said to you
Not
was...
at you. I always mess things up, and then I say that I won't do it again, and then when I do,
What happened last night? Just the truth, Ben, please. Okay. Sam saw you falling out the Albert.
I left my jacket there.
One hell of a lock-in, she said. Dirty little stopper.
It wasn't like that.
Well, either you were out in Soho all night, Ben, or you weren't. What was it?
Lewis,
You slept with him, didn't you? Just for once, Ben. For once in your life, just take responsibility. Just own it. You went there and you slept with him, didn't you? Didn't you?